Hello kiddos, let's learn farm animals name. Okay, so the first farm animal is cow. Cow. Say it with me, cow. C-O-W. Cow. This is buffalo. Buffalo. Say it with me, buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. This is goat. Goat. Say it with me, goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. This is sheep. Sheep. Say it with me, sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. This is pig. Pig. Say it with me, pig. P-I-G. Pig. This is horse. Horse. Say it with me, horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. This is donkey. Donkey. Say it with me, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. This is goose. Goose. Say it with me, goose. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. This is turkey. Turkey. Say it with me, turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. This is honeybee. Honeybee. Say it with me, honeybee. H-O-N-E-Y. B-E-E. Honeybee. This is camel. Camel. Say it with me, camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel used in desert farming. This is llama. Llama. L-I-A-M-A. Llama. Say it with me, llama. This is mule. Mule. Say it with me, mule. M-U-L-E. Mule. Last one. This is rabbit. Rabbit. Say it with me, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. So kiddos, we have learned farm animals. Lots of farm animals we have learned today. So it's your task now to learn this video, to watch this video again and practice it every day, because practice keeps you perfect. So if you love this video, give a like and subscribe for my channel, and for more fun learning videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. See you next time.